Watch this video.
He takes the ball and runs with incredible speed. A clever move takes him right past the fox. He lines up for the shot. He strikes it. It is a goal!
And this one. And this too.
Push them back to the ridge! Hold the line!
So, all these videos are not generated by Grok AI. Instead, they are generated by the website that I am going to tell you about. The website that generates these videos is completely free and open source, meaning you can create unlimited videos without any credits or subscription. If you stick with me until the end, I promise you will discover a tool that is even better than Grok AI. Yes, this website has a credit system, but by the end of this video, you will know how to bypass it. Now, I will show you the complete process by which you can create videos like these. So, let's get started. First, open Chrome and search for Google Flow. Click on the first official website. Once the website is open, click on Create with Google Flow and log in with your Gmail account. After logging in with your Gmail account, you will see the Google Flow dashboard. Click on New Project to start creating your AI videos. So, this is the home page. At the top, you'll find the Upload option, from where you can upload an image as a reference. From this settings icon, you can set the video settings, resolution, and aspect ratio. Whether you are creating videos for YouTube, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram, you can easily select the format you need. Once you are satisfied with your settings, click on the Save button. Now, let's generate the video. In the prompt box, write your prompt. For example, I'll write, "The horse is running in the forest." Then press Enter. In a few moments, it will generate images. So, look at this. 2 images have been generated based on our prompt. Now you can animate them. For example, I'll animate this picture. Simply click on it, press the Animate option, and then approve it from the prompt box. Within seconds, your video will be ready. Now my video is ready. Let's watch the result. Wow! A wonderful video has been created completely free. Now, if you want to download it, simply click on the Download option. Now let's animate a picture from the gallery. Upload your reference image. For example, I want to animate this picture, so I'll upload it. Then click on the Animate option and approve it from the prompt box. After a few seconds, the video will be ready. Let's check it.
Wow! Wow! Woo! Wow, this is so much fun!
Wow! Such an amazing animation is ready. You can make many stickman animations through this website. Now you can download it into your device. Another great feature is that you don't have to write every prompt yourself. You can generate professional prompts using AI chatbots like ChatGPT. For example, I'll copy a prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, press Enter, and approve the generation. After a short wait, the video is ready. Let's check it out. Wow! An excellent video has been created by this website completely free. Through the same process, save it. You can generate many videos like this, upload them to your YouTube channel, and earn money. And in case your credits are finished, you can log in with another Gmail account. For example, when your credits are finished, click on this option and sign out from your current account. Then click on the Try It Now option. After that, click on Create with Google Flow and log in with another Gmail account. After logging in, click on New Project. After that, you will see that you have 50 fresh credits. Through these credits, you can generate 6 videos. When these credits are finished, simply sign out again, log in with another Gmail account, and repeat the same process again and again. So that's my favorite alternative to Grok AI. If you found this video helpful and think it was worth your time, I'd really appreciate your support. Leave a comment, even a simple thank you means a lot. Also, let me know which country you're watching from. Those small interactions help this video reach more people who are interested in AI tools. And if you don't want to miss future AI tools, tutorials, and free resources, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.